Hello everyone, welcome back with Sketchup basic tutorials how to move camera. Okay, for example in here I will draw simple objects. I will delete these objects and use rectangle tools. We create rectangle. Use pull tools to convert to 3D. And now I will draw rectangle again at this point. Okay, we draw in here. And the last at this point. Use pull tools to convert to 3D. And now we need to setting up for camera. You can use these icons to set camera positions. Like I will start from this point, it will be automatically changed into camera view. If you right click and it will be checked for look around. You also can use walk tools. You can click and it will be move the camera. You can click, move to the top to move to the front. If you want to move to back, you can click and move to the bottom. Be move to the back. Yeah, we'll move to the front. And now we right click again and look around. Okay, we can see look around in here. So we'll move again in here. Right click, walk and move the camera. You can look around again, move to the left, and we walk into this point. Okay, very easy to move the camera in SketchUp. And now if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.